So in the winter, birds get really hungry because there's much less food around for them.
So that's why we put up bird feeders in our gardens.
But what happens when people are in nature, wandering around and there's no snacks? We get hungry too.
And that's where 11-year-old Kit's invention idea for the human feeder comes in. It's a giant bird feeder, but for humans. And that's what we're making today.
Let's build this!
Kids invent stuff.
So Kit wanted his human feeder to have food in it, and we thought, what is the human equivalent of birdseed and bird nuts? It's pick and mix sweets! So we've got some of these sweet jars and we're going to put these inside the human feeder.
And like a traditional bird feeder, we're going to make the body of Kit's invention out of wood. Let's get building!
It's a hat!
It's a very big hat.
It's got a hat.
So we've made a roof and then we drilled some holes in it.
So the holes are so we can run these ropes down inside and then we can use them to hang the whole thing from a tree!
So we've put together the body of 11-year-old Kit's human feeder and it fits these sweet containers beautifully.
Look at that!
Just look at it! And we're going to fill them with sweets.
We've built a tiny prison!
So to make our human feeder a little bit more comfortable, we're going to make some lovely cushions using this old shower curtain. So we're going to cut it up, we're going to put it on some foam and we're going to attach it to our human feeder seats.
So Kit wanted his human feeder to have perches, like on a bird feeder, that come out the side. So we've made these little seats. This little crisscross assembly is going to go underneath the human feeder so people can sit on it. Some essential components have arrived. We've got 24 kilograms of pick and mix sweets.
So we've started filling up our jars with pick and mix and sweets and biscuits.
So we thought we would fill the last few by having a race to see who could fill them quickest. Ready?
On your marks, get set, go!
Go! What could possibly go wrong?
Points and deductions properly.
Points are deducted properly.
Shawn only got the easy ones because I'm allergic to them. Yes! So do you want to know what your prize is?
My prize is...
You get to put all the rubbish in the recycling. Yay! Now I don't want to sugarcoat this, but we want to say a massive thank you to those sweeties who are part of our Patreon community and give each month to support this channel. You can join them, if you're able to, for less than the cost of a bag of Pick-a-Mix, and all of their help allows us to build more and slightly crazier kids' invention ideas.
So hidden amongst our sweet jars, I thought I would make a prank sweet jar with this in the middle. So we can put some normal sweets around the outside, and then inside we can hide some broccoli. So when you try and get the sweets out, all you're going to get is broccoli. Broccoli! more could you possibly want when you're going for sweets than to just get a face full of broccoli?
So to add some decoration to our human feeder, we've got these light up rainbows that we're putting on the roof.
The next day.
Gonna climb a tree and hang a giant bird feeder, giant purple bird feeder in the woods. We've cut to this part of the video now. You're like, where are they? What are they doing? We're now in the woods and we've just carried the very heavy thing. We didn't show you us carrying the heavy thing. We're gonna show you us hanging it from the tree instead. So watch and laugh and just enjoy. I'm a bird! I'm flying like a beautiful bird! It's bird feeder in the woods. That's very loud.
I'm a little too short for this.
I could help.
My hands, it's so cold, my hands won't do what they're supposed to do.
It's Ruth with Ruth. Sweets! Scoopy, scoopy, scoop, scoop, scoop. It's in the tree!
I think it might be time to test it.
I wonder what birds would say if they were watching us like we watch them.
Yo, I'm Pooh Birdie Bird, just chilling in my tree, looking at the world and the people that I see. They be down there on the ground doing human shit, so while we perch up on our branch and we shelter from the drizzle. Mostly they be doing things to make us beasties bored, just shuffling back and forth as us feather crew we snore. But today the soul birdie bird spotted something new. Went around our territory, my wings they flapped and flew. The leggy strap, this man new thing I hanging right below, purple and big, so full of stuff for swinging to and fro. And here they come up tall and small, we chilling way up high. A flock of ground-based human folk to snack on what's inside.
What do birds do when they're outside and they get hungry in nature?
They eat from bird feeders.
They do! Exactly, that's the perfect answer. Okay, so what are people going to do if they're outside and they get hungry?
Eat from bird feeders.
Exactly! Eat from a bird feeder! Would anyone like to eat from a giant bird feeder? Loads of people.
I'm Pooh Birdie Bird, and this shit is quite absurd. They be queuing up to feed like we winks beat the seed.
Oh yeah! This is awesome.
Are you filling your pockets, Evie May?
No.
Did I catch you filling your pockets with sweets?
Gonna go around this side now.
You're just hugging the human feeder.
This is great. Everyone needs one of these. Every wood or park. More of these, please.
There's some good bird impressions going on. It's not just for children. How do you know when you've got enough sweets?
When you actually vomit. What could possibly go wrong?
Bit of cheeky cameraman action there from Alfie.
That's a sweet. I want to scoop up the sweet.
Scoop the sweet. It's a camera. It's not a sweet.
Sweet.
I don't know about anyone else, but I'm having a great day.
Best day ever. Really good. Very tasty. Oh my god, what is it?
Delicious broccoli.
No, just one. Especially for Isla.
You're the broccoli people, okay? No more sweets for you. Just broccoli.
No.
broccoli's going down a storm.
What score out of 10 would you give to the human feeder?
10.
10?
Yeah, 22.
22 out of 10.
Thank you, kids!
Poop birdie bird.
So we think it's fair to say it's a successful invention.
I think it's going down very well with children and adults.
Kit, thank you so much. We love it. It's such a great idea.
Thank you, Kit. And if you know of any kids whose invention should be brought to life, send them to our website, which will appear on the screen below. See you next time.
Bye.